Welcome to Flow Design Architects, a company that works with you and for you. Thank you for watching.
You've made it here. Thank you so much. We're going to share everything we do step by step, so you don't have to worry about anything. We're going to show you how we generate a project, how we develop the project, and how that project turns into your results, your properties, your developments, your buildings, how we develop communities as a team. The first thing we do is that typically when a client comes for the first time, we send an introduction email. The introduction email basically outlines what we do, how we do it, step by step. You're going to be receiving a document that outlines our levels of services. We call them 3 levels of services: Ionic, Doric, and Corinthian. And it relates to the Greek orders. It means that regardless of what it is that you want, we're here for you, no matter the price, the style, or the detail. Each one of those will deliver essentially what you need and what you want. But the intensity and the energy put into it will determine how much it's going to cost and how long it's going to take. That will also give you a little gauge into where you need to be or where you are as a client. That introduction document explains each one of those orders, what they include and what they don't include. But I like to always relate this to, again, the Greek orders. Each one of those columns supports the building. It delivers the very basic that you need, regardless of what it is that you want. But at the very end, it all depends on how that's being delivered, the amount of intensity, time, and detail that it's put into it. And that will determine the price, again, and also how long it's gonna take. We don't only wanna deliver for the Corinthian levels, the Maseratis, Ferraris, right? We want to deliver to everybody. We want to be able to offer services to everyone, which is part of our mission at Flow Design Architects, of increasing diversity in the field of architecture and design. To do so, we definitely need to touch everyone we can. And that document outlines that you can get an architect from Flow Design Architects to deliver your services no matter the cost. Thank you.
Welcome to Flow Design Architects, a company that works with you and for you. Thank you for watching.